This is a quick demonstration video on how to operate an electric caliper using a one-touch power window module. This is the Tesla Model S drive unit. It has two calipers, one hydraulic, one electric, which acts as the parking brake and emergency brake. And I wanted to have it easy to remove and to engage, either automatic or manual or both. So right now, this caliper is engaged. I cannot spin the wheel. And we'll use a positive trigger. You can either use positive or negative trigger on this module. One touch. You can hear the caliper releasing, and now it'll just freewheel. And then when we want to re-engage, one touch, caliper re-engages, and now it's locked. Very simple. You can buy these on eBay or Summit Racing. Just look for a one-touch power window module. Easy to wire, just a power and a ground. It even comes with a fuse. And then you've got your motor wires. You only need two wires from the caliper. On the left side of the car, it's a brown and a black with white. And on the right side of the car, it's a red with white and a blue with white. They're the heavier gauge wires. Very simple. It solved a problem and it seems to work really well. Hope this helps.